Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of dishes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to explore a super easy and delicious way to pan fry tilapia. What I used to prepare this fish was a couple tilapia fillets, olive oil, lemon pepper seasoning, plus some good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Kick this recipe off by heating up a skillet and drizzling in a little olive oil. Next, add the fillets. Be sure to add them away from you so the oil doesn't splatter on you. I like to smear it around in the olive oil so it's fully coated on the bottom. After the fillets have cooked for a few minutes on one side, give them a flip. You're going to season on this side with the salt, pepper, and lemon pepper, and let it cook for a couple more minutes on this side before flipping again and seasoning the top side. Give it a couple turns of fresh cracked pepper if you have it. Don't overdo it because there's probably pepper in your lemon pepper seasoning, unless you're using fresh lemon zest, which is much better. Flip it, give it a couple more turns of the pepper on the opposite side, then sprinkle on a little bit more of the lemon pepper seasoning. You don't really want to overdo it, especially if it's a little bit strong. Then make sure it's cooked on both sides. In this case, I needed to finish cooking on the top side. I tend to do 6 minutes per side. Then plate, add a couple sprigs of parsley if you like, if you have it. You could avoid this. You could use fresh parsley. You could use dried parsley. You could use no parsley. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!